These are the elevators at the James Street parking garage at Allegheny General Hospital, the north side of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. ADAMS SurvivorPlus hall stations and lanterns. Go up to 7. ADAMS Voice, just like the Hans in the hospital. These are old Otises, but they're modernized. These are also scenic. These are very shaky. Whoa. You're at 7? Whoa, these are shaky. You're at 7?
Floor 7, going down.
988 phone. Pretty nice elevators. I did not know these were scenic. This is a pretty nice elevator. These are actually not that bad. Obviously, judging by that, these were originally old Otises, but they were modernized with ADAMS SurvivorPlus. Here are 1. Whoa. They also talk. Take a look at that. That's some history. There goes, and that's it.